Imagine standing on the rugged Oregon coast, feeling the cool Pacific mist on your face, listening to the rhythmic crash of waves. For generations, we've gazed out at this horizon, thinking we knew the secrets it held. But what if I told you that just beneath those shimmering waves, a giant has been sleeping, completely hidden from our view until now? This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's a real-life discovery that's rewriting what we know about our own backyard. We're not just talking about a small hill on the ocean floor. We're talking about a colossal underwater mountain, a seamount so massive it dwarfs many of the peaks we see on land. It's a silent underwater giant that has been waiting in the dark, just miles from where people surf and fish every day. And the most incredible part? We're only just now finding it. So, how did a structure this enormous stay hidden for so long? And what does its discovery mean for us? Get ready, because we're about to dive deep into one of the most exciting geological finds of our time. This story begins not on a ship but in a data lab. Scientists from the Schmidt Ocean Institute were poring over new, high-resolution seafloor maps. For years, our understanding of the ocean floor has been, believe it or not, less detailed than our maps of Mars or the Moon. But recent advancements in sonar technology are changing everything. Think of it like trading a blurry, out-of-focus photograph for a crystal-clear 4K image. As they processed the data from a recent survey off the Oregon coast, something astonishing began to emerge from the digital noise. It was a shape, an anomaly, something that shouldn't have been there according to old charts. A towering peak rising from the abyssal plain. They had to double-check, triple-check the data. Could it be real? The confirmation was breathtaking. A previously unmapped seamount right here in U.S. waters. To give you a sense of scale, this isn't just a bump. This newly discovered peak, which they've informally nicknamed the Oregon Behemoth, rises over 1,600 meters, that's more than 5,200 feet, from the surrounding seafloor. That's taller than any building on Earth. Its base covers an area larger than the city of Portland, and it was sitting there, undetected, in the deep ocean twilight. This raises a fascinating question. In an age of satellites and global surveillance, how can something so monumental go unnoticed? The answer lies in the vastness and mystery of the ocean itself. Water is incredibly effective at blocking most forms of electromagnetic radiation, which is what our satellites use to map land. To see what's underneath, we need to use sound, sonar. But getting a detailed, widespread sonar map of the entire ocean floor is a monumental task. It requires specialized ships to painstakingly travel back and forth, in a process often compared to mowing a lawn the size of a continent. Until recently, much of the mapping off our own coasts was done with lower resolution technology, which could easily miss features like this, mistaking them for gentle slopes or data errors. This discovery is a powerful reminder that over 80% of our planet's oceans remain unmapped, unexplored, and unobserved. We literally know more about the surface of other planets than we do about the bottom of our own seas. But this discovery is about so much more than just filling in a blank spot on a map. Seamounts are biological hotspots. Think of them as islands of life in the deep-sea desert. As deep ocean currents flow past these massive structures, they are forced upwards. This process, called upwelling, brings nutrient-rich cold water from the depths closer to the sunlit surface layers. This injection of nutrients fuels a bloom of phytoplankton, the foundation of the entire marine food web. Where there's phytoplankton, you find zooplankton, which in turn attracts small fish, then larger fish, and all the way up to sharks, whales, and seabirds. Seamounts become vibrant, bustling underwater cities, oases teeming with life. So the discovery of a new seamount isn't just a geological curiosity. It's the potential discovery of a brand new, thriving ecosystem. And because these seamounts are so isolated from each other, they often act like evolutionary laboratories. Over millions of years, life on each seamount can evolve in unique ways, leading to species found nowhere else on Earth. Scientists are incredibly excited about the possibility of exploring this new Oregon seamount. What strange and wonderful creatures might be clinging to its rocky slopes? Could there be new species of deep-sea corals, bizarre-looking fish, or ancient organisms that have been evolving in isolation for millennia? Every new seamount we explore yields incredible biological surprises. The mission to explore it is already being planned. It will likely involve an ROV or remotely operated vehicle. This is essentially a sophisticated underwater robot, equipped with high-definition cameras, powerful lights, and robotic arms for collecting samples. From a control room on the research vessel above, scientists will be able to fly the ROV down through thousands of feet of water, witnessing the landscape of this new world for the very first time. Imagine being in that control room. The ROV descends through the water column, the light from the surface fades, and you enter a world of perpetual darkness. Then the ROV's powerful lights switch on, and for the first time in history, human eyes see the base of this underwater mountain. As the ROV begins its ascent up the slope, who knows what they'll find? They'll be looking for signs of life at every level. Are there vast gardens of deep-sea corals and sponges, some of which can live for thousands of years, making them among the oldest living animals on Earth? These coral gardens provide critical habitat for countless other species, acting as nurseries for fish and invertebrates. The scientists will be taking samples of the rock to understand the seamount's volcanic origins and age. They'll collect water samples to analyze the chemistry and nutrient flow. And of course, they will be collecting biological specimens, carefully documenting any new or unusual forms of life they encounter. Each sample, each image, is a piece of a puzzle that will help us understand this hidden world. This discovery has profound implications beyond just pure science. Seamounts are increasingly recognized as vital for the health of our oceans and even our planet. The rich ecosystems they support are crucial for commercial fisheries. Many of the fish we eat, like tuna and orange roughy, congregate around seamounts to feed or spawn. Understanding where these seamounts are and protecting them is essential for sustainable fishing practices. Furthermore, these deep-sea ecosystems may hold secrets that could benefit all of humanity. The unique organisms found here often produce novel chemical compounds in order to survive in their extreme environment. These compounds have the potential to lead to new medicines, antibiotics, and industrial applications. The deep sea is a treasure chest of biodiversity and potential breakthroughs, and we've barely begun to look inside. The discovery of the Oregon Behemoth is a testament to the spirit of exploration. It shows that even in the 21st century, there are still new frontiers to discover right here on our own planet. It's a powerful reminder that our world is more complex and wondrous than we can imagine. Every time we send a research vessel out to map a new patch of ocean, we are rolling the dice, with a chance of making a discovery that could change our understanding of geology, biology, and the history of our planet. This seamount isn't just a rock, it's a story waiting to be told. A story of volcanic fury, of slow, patient evolution in the dark, and of a vibrant community of life that has thrived unknown to us for eons. As we look forward to the first images and data from the exploration of this hidden giant, we are reminded of the importance of ocean conservation. Discoveries like this highlight how much we still have to lose if we don't protect our oceans from threats like pollution, overfishing, and climate change. We can't protect what we don't know exists. By mapping and exploring these deep-sea realms, we are taking the first and most critical step toward becoming better stewards of our blue planet. The story of Oregon's hidden seamount is just beginning, and it's a story that belongs to all of us. It's a call to look beneath the surface, to stay curious, and to cherish the mysteries that still await us in the deep. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey of discovery. What do you think we'll find on this new seamount? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love learning about the hidden wonders of our planet, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. We'll see you on the next adventure.